Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks.
Welcome to Honor of Kings.
Let's binge
Enemy
like
minions
Milner.
will arrive in 5 seconds. All forces, move out!
Ito na naman po tayo. Another beautiful Honor of Kings. Shoutout na rin pala sa nagsabing mahina kami. Tara, 1v1 na lang. What? Joke lang po.
Ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
Muntikan na yon. Na KS pa talaga. Bawi na lang ako next time.
Yeah, boy.
At lumipat na rin ako ng mid lane. Para patunayan ang lakas ko. Hindi na kasi kinaya ng marksman nila ang malaklas S na lakas ko.
An enemy has been slain.
Ang swerte naman talaga ng mga kakampi ko. Na KS ulit. Ganun pa man. Mas lalo ko pang pinagbutihan. Baka makaisa lang sana.
May your wish come true. May another punishment for all the cold-hearted.
Ultimate not ready yet.
Your team has destroyed a turret. Turret has been destroyed. An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
Departing. Leave no regret behind.
An enemy has been slain.
Hindi man lang ako nakaisa sa team fight na yon, na KS lahat.
Rule number 1.
Your team has destroyed a turret. An ally has been slain. Killing spree. Killing spree. Time to show them what you can do. You have slain an enemy.
Nice.
Sa wakas, nakaisa rin.
You have slain an enemy.
Ain't gonna sleep anywhere.
Medyo nakalamang na rin kami sa play na to, kaya tamang farm muna kami. At sa hindi inaasahang panahon, bigla na lang silang naglonsad ng isang matinding team fight.
Rampage.
Skill not ready.
An enemy has been slain.
Pero naka-ready kami sa ganang pangyayari. Kaya muntikan na sila ma-wipe out.
Nightmares ever come back?
Tamang push lang kami dito sa top lane nila. Pero may surprise attack pala silang balak gawin.
Enemy has been slain. Fabulous. Unstoppable.
Ganun pa rin ang resulta. Dalawa ang nabawas.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
Dito ay balak na namin i-end ang match-up. Habang kulang pa sila.
Your turret has been destroyed. Killing spree.
The Overlord and Tyrant have been in hand. Cannons moving out.
Godlike. Shut down.
The kills just keep coming in.